Who was the last ruler of the Waghela dynasty? A. Vishwadev, B. Arjundev, C. Sarangdev, D. Karnadev. Answer D. Karnadev. The Gujarat Vernacular Society is now known as A. Gujarati Parishad, B. Gujarat Vidya Sabha, C. Gujarat Sahitya Academy, D. Gujarat Sahitya Sangh. Answer B. Gujarat Vidya Sabha. In which city was the first silk processing of Gujarat inaugurated? A. Ahmedabad, B. Vadodara, C. Surat, D. Surendranagar. Answer D. Surendranagar. In which city was Narmad born? A. Surat, B. Ahmedabad, C. Vadodara, D. Bhavnagar. Answer A. Surat. Who was the first president of the Gujarat Sahitya Sabha? A. Anand Shankar Dhruv, B. Narmada Shankar Dave, C. Ramanbhai Nilkant, D. K.M. Munshi. Answer C. Ramanbhai Nilkant. The Battle of Diu in 1509 was fight between the Gujarat Sultanate and which power? A. Spanish, B. French, C. Dutch, D. Portuguese. Answer D. Portuguese. Who was the first Chief Justice of the Gujarat High Court? A. K.T. Desai, B. J.M. Selat, C. P.N. Bhagwati, D. Sundarlal Desai. Answer D. Sundarlal Desai. Who built Rani Ki Vav? A. Rani Neki Devi, B. Rani Rupmati, C. Rani Udaymati, D. Rani Lilavati. Answer C. Rani Udaymati. Who was the first person from Gujarat to receive the Padma Bhushan Award? A. V.L. Mehta, B. Amrutlal Hargovindas, C. Kantilal Desai, D. Homi Bhabha. Answer A. V.L. Mehta. Who was the first person from Gujarat to receive the Padma Vibhushan Award? A. Morarji Desai, B. K.M. Munshi, C. J.R.D. Tata, D. Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai. Answer D. Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai.